Previously, we talked about appending records to bring multiple data sets together, making our table longer. Today, we'll discuss merging files to add variables, often called joining tables. A common example is a customer header file with demographic information and perhaps a file with their survey responses. So I have my customer demographics file open. And to bring my survey data together with it, I go to Data, Merge Files, Add Variables, and we're going to join it to our survey data. Click Continue. And we're going to do it with a one-to-one merge. We'll talk about the others later based on a key value, and it's already detected the key value that it suspects, and this is correct. So we'll click OK, and off it went. And now you see I have 980 records in my file. Now it's important to check your results. So we'll do that by Analyze, Reports, Case Summaries, and we'll just count the customer IDs. We'll say OK. And now in our processing summary, we see we have 980 records. Prior, I saw that in my survey data, I had 978 data, as well as I did in my demographics data. So I did a one-to-one, so how did I end up with two more records? That means I have a mistake in my data, and we need to figure that out in order to properly bring this data together. Let us know how we can help you cut time in resolving these kinds of issues in joining tables, and I'll talk to you next time.